your philosophy on life and on love?
Life is don't hurt yourself and don't hurt anyone else. Very simple. Take care of yourself and take care of others. Very simple. Love is the essence of all things. I am love. You are love. So we are love. Once you realize that love is not a thing remote, then it makes us walk more upright. It's not out there. So it's the same as God. This what they call God. God is not something remote. I am in God and God is in me. It's the same as love. I am in love and love is in me. All love. That is it.